You're wondering if you have the right toner. It doesn't fit, it doesn't print, it doesn't work. That's only because you don't have the right tips to help you to solve the problem. Let's see what the problem is. Hello everyone, welcome to AIS Tech Tips. I'm Dr. Copier. Installing a toner is one of the common tasks of an everyday office life. It's like changing a tire when your car has a flat. For some copiers, it could be a bit tricky. We go over a few tips. Let's diagnose the problem. So we got an email from a local technician and it reads, with some of the Kyocera copiers, if you were to put in new toner, then pull it back out, it will not go in again until you push down the tabs on the tip of the toner container. I've come across one too many that thought they have the wrong toner. Can you show your viewers how to properly install their Kyocera toner? Sometimes when you are replacing the toner, you have to pull up and then pull out. When you are installing the new toner, you have to push down to lock the toner in. Make sure you are purchasing and using your Copier brand toner. For instance, this Kyocera copier only uses original Kyocera brand toner. If all this fails, then you have to place a service call. If you are on a hunt for an upgrade or you just want to look at different copiers, then check out our ebook, The Ultimate Buyer's Guide, in the description below. If we help you to solve this problem, hit that thumbs up button. Also, leave a comment below of what caused your copier to have problems and how you end up solving it. Feel free to watch any of our other videos to make sure you are prepared when that copier decides to crash at the most inopportune times. Lastly, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. I'm Dr. Copier, and you can worry less with AIS. See you next time.